Now, let's define our facility for example 13. Inside a facility that can schedule at a basic level, let's complete and add the setting setup transition item. First, from the main screen, let's open the alternative transition matrix definitions. Let's open a new document with a defining document here. Then, click on the Sequence Dependent Setup Transition Matrix tab. Here we see in the job list, and we will create a matrix for the transition through the setting setup codes, where we define the product groups. Now, let me show you how this matrix was created. Let's first delve into the line detail here. Let's enter the current setting code. Then let's enter the code for the setting to be changed. Let's input the coefficient next. The logic here works as follows. If the current setting time decreases when switching from one setting condition to another, this ratio should be processed into the transition item. It doesn't work if the setting time for B01 drops from 6 hours to 3 when transitioning from the A01 setting code to the B01 setting code. This ratio, it is 0.5. If the duration increases from 6 hours to 9 hours, the ratio is 1.5. If we are to make definitions accordingly, after entering the first setting code and the setting codes to which the transition is made in this line detail, let's write our ratio now. We need to write a ratio that fits our example because here, let's see in detail how the setup time works in the results. Here, the first...
Take the stage.
I see the ratio when moving from 01 to 501 as 1.5. If we are going to define this ratio on a machine basis, during the transitions of different products in the settings time definitions section, we need to show in which source this rule applies. Here, the variable in the source list corresponds to the eWorkstation variable. Bullet session 01. When defined on the machine, this setting ensures the validity of the multiplier for switching between setup codes. These rules are defined mutually on a source basis for all configuration codes and are entered for the facility. For 40 AKM04 machines, for C01 and D01 setting codes as well. After the entries are made, the wave is registered. Then go to the facility definitions and add to the alternative transition item definitions there. After this definition, the facility is registered. This facility is ready for our drawing development.